Good morning and welcome to day 337. All right, it's not that long. I think it's actually day 11 or so. So I got some junction boxes. We're gonna see if we can get them mounted and make this look a little bit more finished. Even though those white pipes over here, one, two, they're temporary. Um, so junction boxes, and I forgot to glue that one elbow down in here. So glue that. And then we're having company later, so that might be it for today. So I got, can I do this? An 8x8 and a 6x6. Rough lay these out, see if they fit. Yeah. It's a little close. So probably gonna need to adjust this a little more. And I need to take the screws out of here before I lose them. There's 4 screws that hold the cover on. There's a gasket to make it waterproof. Guess we'll do a little unboxing here. There's the lid. Watertight gasket. You gotta poke the little holes out. There's 4 screws to hold the cover on. This is a 8x8x4. So the long-term goal, I have the new 3/4 inch conduit, a 2-inch conduit, and another 3-inch, something like that. Someday, it's been a long-term goal, but hasn't happened yet. I'd like to have a pole barn out here, so I'd like to put a 100-amp sump panel out here. So I'm hoping 2 inches is the right size. Still trying to figure that out. So once I figure that out, that'll determine that. We're gonna mark this on the wood here. My level, but I'll just mark it for now. Slippery. Oh my God. Keeps moving. I think we're gonna mount this and then draw these because it's pretty difficult right now. So I gotta get the drill out and all that good stuff. All right, time to screw it on. I don't think there's a top or bottom on these things that matters, but wording is printed this way, so we'll make that the top. There's level. So this one will go in there. This one has to get moved over to the other one. I guess it's time for breakfast, so I'll do this one after breakfast. Hope it doesn't rain. Back from breakfast with a full belly. So I think I'm going to move the junction box up a little so that there's room underneath to secure the pipes to the wood. So I think I'll do both of these in time-lapse mode because it's better than hearing me stumble over words. Company left earlier than I thought, so doing some more work today. Keep second guessing myself too, so I think I'm just gonna attach these, finish this side 100%, and then, well, for these conduits at least. I guess we'll go to time lapse for this. We drilled a hole in the box. This will go through here. Got these things that screw on here. This way. I have this little gasket to make it watertight. Go like that. Before we do that, get the pipe on here. We're going to glue this on here. It's way too long, and then we're going to cut it. I'm going to cut this pipe. Right there at the bottom of the pipe, it goes into the coupling 3/4 of an inch. I'll measure 3/4 up from here. We'll cut this, glue everything on, and see if we can make it all fit together. That'll go in there. That'll go in there. Glue this on. Okay. I got a little piece of wood back here. Clamps. Screw that on there. Hold it in place. Yay. And we gotta do the same thing in this one. So I'll save you the boredom and we'll do time lapse for that one. So there's the mostly finished product. I'll fill it in eventually. There's gonna be additional pipes heading in that direction. So probably not gonna fill that in unless whatever. that's that for now. So now we're gonna move forward with the actual trench. Back to digging. Yay! That was a productive day. So I'm sore and tired now. We got our fourth section of piping in. So I'm just gonna fill in some of these holes finally. Not all of them. And then I'm going to pass out and go to sleep for a week. All right. One last time lapse.